Hello everyone. It's about 5 p.m. to Monday, June the 20th, 2016, and this is DelrayVAWeather.com. We're going to do an update, severe weather update for the potential of severe weather tomorrow afternoon. And I'm beginning to think that the official beginning of summer, which starts about 6:34 this evening, is going to come in with a bang. What you see up on the screen is the latest run of the NAM 4KM. That's the high resolution NAM. It shows the sounding over Washington Reagan National Airport, and this is for the 18Z, which actually just finished running. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I keep an eye on these indicators. When they start getting all red, it's a period in which we need to keep a close eye on. And I want to go through some of these. We are showing a convective available potential energy. That's the energy needed to get thunderstorms going of 2348, which is actually quite high. And that's why it's showing red. And the convective inhibition value is about 8, which is actually quite low. So basically what you have to see here for thunderstorms to start is a low convective inhibition and a high CAPE. Okay, one of the indicators I keep an eye on is this EHI indicator, and this really does show whether there's a potential for tornadic activity, and we're showing it's a moderate level for the EHI tomorrow, and this is set for about 3 p.m. tomorrow. So there's this is one indicator, and the other indicator is the SWEAT, the sweet indicator. And if this sweet indicator is above about 400, then you will get fairly strong tornadoes. It's showing a 373, which means that between these two indicators, it's showing that there is a potential for at least a weak tornadic activity. It's like F0 to F1 tomorrow about 3 p.m. There's a couple other things that we look at. This PW, it's the amount of water vapor in the air. And it's showing a good amount of water vapor at 3 p.m. in the air. And you need the water vapor really to get the thunderstorms going. So we definitely have a lot of the components for thunderstorms, and there's actually quite a bit suggesting severe thunderstorms. Lift index is -5, and the -5 suggests that we're going to have pretty significant convection, and large instability is what they call it. And the totals are 49. Again, that indicates that there is a likelihood of thunderstorms. If it goes above 50, you have isolated severe thunderstorms. So we have a really good chance of thunderstorms, but with these other components here, I'm thinking to myself that we're going to have severe thunderstorms in the Alexandria, Virginia area. Other interesting thing is this, the equal level, which this is where the temperature and the dew point are the same, and it indicates how high the cloud tops will be, and it's showing around 40,000 feet at 3 p.m. tomorrow over Reagan National Airport. So we have a lot of things occurring here that would suggest severe weather in the immediate area of Alexandria, Virginia. The 12Z version of this was even worse. It showed F2 to F3 possibility of tornadoes. And You know, the thing is while this has decreased a little, I'm a little suspicious because 18Z isn't always that accurate in predicting. It's usually 12Z is and midnight or 0Z is better. So definitely need to be weather aware tomorrow. Okay, I'll show you this briefly. This is at about the same time, and DC is in this area. It's showing a value above 2, which usually indicates severe thunderstorms. So this is the from the College of DuPage Next Gen Weather Lab, and it's the Supercell Composite Index. So when you get in the above the 2 range, the potential for severe thunderstorms is pretty great, and also they have a significant tornado index, and I'll show you that. I guess we'll do that too. 27. Okay, as far as the significant tornadoes, we're in this green yellow area. It means probably there is the potential for a weak tornado tomorrow. About that same time. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to keep an eye on this, but I want to advise everyone that they need to stay weather aware tomorrow. Conditions are likely to change rapidly in the next 12 hours, and so you need to be aware that this could actually get more severe, not just less severe. I would tonight, if tomorrow's a work day for you, I would definitely tonight before the sun sets, check around your yard, make sure anything that could be broken in high winds or thrown about are taken in or at least secured where they won't be blown around. Because, things are going to change rapidly tomorrow. And I know that tomorrow, probably starting early tomorrow morning, I'm going to be doing more of a nowcasting from radar rather than from the models. The other thing that I would suggest is that, if you have pets outdoors, things like that, you should take in. But definitely you need to stay weather aware, probably after 3, but to be on the safe side, afternoon tomorrow. Just keep attuned to what's happening and whether there's any warnings issued. If you have a weather app from one of the TV stations, that's great. You can keep watching my feed because I will be doing feeds updates all tomorrow. Okay, if you have any questions, just give me a tweet at PatPend, that's PATPEND, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.